Are you a manufacturing business owner looking to unlock the full potential of marketing? Welcome to our comprehensive guide on marketing strategies for your manufacturing venture. In today's dynamic business landscape, effective marketing is the key to creating value for both your company and your customers. It's the bridge that builds long-lasting relationships between businesses. So, why is marketing so crucial for your manufacturing business? Let's explore the top reasons. Firstly, marketing enables you to connect with your target market, giving you a competitive advantage in the industry. Secondly, it helps you gain valuable insights into your customers' needs, allowing you to develop products and services that truly resonate with them. Lastly, a well-executed marketing approach enhances brand awareness and fosters loyalty among your business partners. Let's delve into the world of marketing in manufacturing and unlock the potential for your business to thrive. What are the 4 petaseconds of marketing in manufacturing? Do you know that marketers often use a well-known process to methodologically plan and execute their marketing campaigns? The most common process, or marketing mix, is the 4 petaseconds of marketing, and it stands for product, price, place, and promotion. Product. In the context of manufacturing, the product signifies the tangible goods or services that the manufacturing company offers. When formulating their marketing mix, manufacturers need to meticulously assess the type of products they are manufacturing and how precisely these offerings will cater to the needs and desires of their target market. Price. Finding the right balance in pricing is paramount for manufacturers. Place. The place factor in manufacturing pertains to the distribution channels utilized to ensure their products efficiently reach consumers. Manufacturers must thoughtfully deliberate on how they will connect with their target market and identify the most effective distribution channels that cater to their specific requirements. Promotion includes all of the activities that a business undertakes to raise awareness of its product. We also have what we call the 5 C's of marketing. However, this model focuses more on the customer above all else. It's customer-centric and involves the following. First C is customer. Who are your customers? What do they want and need? How can you reach them? Second C is company. What are your company's strengths and weaknesses? What does your company stand for? Third C is collaborators. Who are your partners and suppliers? How can they help you reach your customers? Fourth C is competition. Who are your competitors? What are they doing to reach your shared customers? Fifth C is context. What is the current economic climate? What social, political, and technological changes might impact your business or your customers? In manufacturing, the core focus is on creating and delivering physical products. The 4 petaseconds model is well suited to this emphasis, as it provides a structured approach to developing the product, setting a price for it, determining appropriate distribution channels, and promoting it to the target audience. While the 5 C's of marketing are useful for understanding the broader market environment and customer behavior, they might not be as directly applicable to the manufacturing industry. The manufacturing sector's primary concern is often centered around the product's physical attributes and value proposition, making the 4 petaseconds more relevant. While the 4 petaseconds fit manufacturing better, the 5 C's remain essential. Both can complement each other for a comprehensive marketing strategy, gaining a holistic market understanding, and effectively promoting products. Traditional marketing versus digital marketing for manufacturing businesses. Traditional marketing and digital marketing are 2 very different beasts. Traditional marketing includes techniques such as print ads, billboards, TV commercials, and direct mail. Digital marketing, on the other hand, encompasses everything from SEO to social media ads. So, which one is better? Well, that depends on your goals. Manufacturing businesses have long relied on traditional marketing to reach their target audience, especially in B2B scenarios where face-to-face interactions are crucial. Traditional marketing can be more tangible and local, allowing manufacturers to focus on a specific geographical area or industry niche. However, traditional marketing can be expensive, and its effectiveness may be harder to measure compared to digital marketing methods. If you're interested in building a relationship with your customers and engaging with them on a deeper level, digital marketing is the way to go. Digital marketing encompasses various online strategies, including website optimization, social media marketing, email campaigns, content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, PPC, and online advertising. For manufacturing businesses, digital marketing opens up opportunities to connect with a global audience, including potential customers, suppliers, and distributors. The good thing about B2B digital marketing is that the competition is usually lower than businesses that target individual consumers in the B2C market. Different types of business marketing for manufacturing industries and how to use each. 1. Digital marketing. This type of marketing uses websites, mobile devices, social media, search engines, and other similar channels to reach consumers. 2. Outbound marketing. Outbound marketing involves a company directly contacting potential customers to generate leads. This can be done through cold calling, cold emailing, direct mail, event sponsorships, trade show presentations, advertising, and in-person contact. 3. Social media marketing, SMM. Social media marketing, SMM is a form of digital marketing that uses social media platforms to promote a company's brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. This includes Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. 4. Search engine marketing, SEM. Search engine marketing is a digital marketing strategy focused on getting a company or client's website to appear on the first page of search engine results. The goal is to drive more traffic to the site, which can then be converted into customers. 5. Organic marketing. This type of marketing that emphasizes getting traffic to your business through natural means, such as through SEO or social media. This can be contrasted with paid methods of marketing, which involve more aggressive tactics, such as paying for ads. 6. Advertising. Advertising can be done through various means, such as providing information about the product, demonstrating its benefits, or creating an emotional connection with the consumer. In order to be effective, advertising must be well targeted and hammer home a single message. It also needs to stand out from the thousands of other ads that people are bombarded with on a daily basis. Video marketing. Video marketing is a way of using videos to promote your brand, products, or services. This can be done in many ways, such as creating brand videos, product videos, customer testimonials, live videos, explanatory how-to videos, corporate training videos, or viral videos. 8. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a form of marketing in which businesses work with popular social media users to promote their brands. This type of marketing can be extremely effective, as it allows businesses to reach a large audience of potential customers through the influencer's platform. 9. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an online sales technique that lets a product owner increase sales by allowing others to market their products for a commission. When done right, affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online without having to invest any money up front. 10. Email marketing. Email marketing can be a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. It provides a way to reach a large audience quickly and effectively. And it's relatively affordable compared to other marketing channels. What's more, email marketing can be customized to fit the needs of any business. For example, businesses can use email marketing to promote sales, announce new products or services, or simply stay in touch with their customers. Retention marketing. Retention marketing is a new and exciting field that is quickly gaining popularity. Also known as customer retention management, retention marketing is all about keeping your customers happy and keeping them coming back for more. There are a number of ways to achieve this, but some of the most effective methods include providing excellent customer service, offering loyalty rewards, and running targeted marketing campaigns. 12. Brand marketing. One of the most important aspects of marketing is creating a strong brand. A brand is more than just a name or logo. It is the overall image that a company projects to the world. Brand marketing involves using a variety of strategies to promote the company and its products. This can include advertising, public relations, social media, and even events. 13. Emotional marketing. Emotional marketing is all about connecting with your customer on a deeper level. This involves creating ads and content that resonates with their values and beliefs. When done right, emotional marketing can be extremely effective in building brand loyalty and boosting sales. However, it's important to strike the right balance. Too much emotion can come across as manipulative, so it's important to be genuine in your approach. The best way to do this is to focus on telling stories that will resonate with your audience. 14. Public relations. Public relation is an important aspect of any business. It is the art of creating and maintaining a favorable public image for a company or organization. In today's competitive market, businesses must work hard to stay ahead of the competition and keep their customers happy. 15. Mobile marketing. With over 2 billion active mobile devices worldwide, it's clear that people are increasingly using their phones to connect with the world around them. And as mobile usage continues to grow, businesses must adapt their marketing strategies to reach these customers where they are. 16. Relationship marketing. In the world of business, it's all about relationships. Whether you're dealing with customers, suppliers, or partners, building strong relationships is essential to success. By investing in relationships, businesses can create a loyal customer base that will stick with them through thick and thin. 17. Partnership marketing. Partnership marketing is a type of marketing in which two or more businesses team up to promote each other's products or services. This can be a great way to reach new customers and grow your business. 18. Distribution partnership. A distribution partnership is when two companies team up to sell each other's products. This is a beneficial arrangement for both the companies involved as well as the customers. Customers are more likely to trust a brand if they see that it is partnered with another brand they already know and like. There are many ways to distribute coupons and promotional codes for products in a partnership, such as through in-store displays, magazines, emails, QR codes, and mobile apps. 19. Seasonal marketing. Seasonal marketing is a great way to reach potential customers without breaking the bank. By aligning your marketing campaigns with key holidays or seasonal events, you can tap into the natural excitement and goodwill that people are already feeling. In addition, seasonal marketing can help you to stand out from the competition. With so many businesses vying for attention, it can be difficult to get noticed. But by timing your marketing campaigns carefully, you can ensure that your message stands out. However, seasonal marketing may have limited applicability in the manufacturing industry, especially if the product or service is not heavily influenced by seasonal trends or holidays. 20. Telemarketing. Telemarketing is a direct marketing method in which a salesman talks to prospective clients, customers to buy their products or services. The key to success in telemarketing is to build rapport with your prospects and to listen to their needs. Once you've established a good relationship, you'll be able to sell them on the benefits of your product or service. Telemarketing can play a valuable role in building relationships and generating leads in the manufacturing industry. While it may not be suitable for all manufacturers, many businesses in the industry have found success with telemarketing as a part of their overall marketing strategy. 21. Cause marketing. Cause marketing is a marketing partnership between a for-profit company and a nonprofit organization. The for-profit company agrees to support the nonprofit's mission in some way, usually through financial donations or promotional efforts. In return, the nonprofit provides the for-profit company with valuable credibility and potential new customers. Cause marketing can be beneficial in many industries, but it might not be a primary focus for marketing and manufacturing unless a specific cause or social responsibility initiative aligns with the company's values and mission. How much should a business spend on marketing or advertising? Every business owner wants to know how much they should spend on marketing and advertising. The answer depends on a number of factors, including the size of the business, the products or services offered, and the competition. The 5% marketing budget rule states that you should spend 5% of your gross revenue on marketing. So, if your business brings in $100,000 in revenue per year, you should budget $5,000 for marketing. This rule is a good starting point because it ensures that you're investing enough in marketing to see results, but not so much that you're sacrificing other important areas of your business. Many businesses operate under the belief that they should allocate 5% of their gross sales to marketing. This rule of thumb is often cited as gospel, but it doesn't always hold true. Effectively adjusting marketing budgets. While 5% may be a good starting point for some businesses, others may find that they need to invest more in order to achieve their desired results. There are a few general guidelines that can help businesses to make informed decisions about their marketing budgets. 1. Consider your marketing goals. First, businesses should consider their overall marketing goals. What are they hoping to achieve with their marketing efforts? Once these goals are clear, businesses can develop strategies for achieving them. They can then allocate a portion of their budget to each goal. For example, if a business is looking to increase brand awareness, it might allocate a larger portion of its budget to paid advertising. On the other hand, if they are looking to build relationships with customers, they might invest more in content marketing or customer retention programs. 2. Consider different channels. Businesses need to consider the different channels available to them. Each channel has its own strengths and weaknesses, so businesses need to decide which channels will work best for them based on their goals, resources, and target audiences. 3. Frequency and timing of marketing efforts. Businesses should think about the frequency and timing of their marketing efforts. For example, if they are launching a new product, they might want to ramp up their marketing in the weeks leading up to the launch. On the other hand, if they are trying to maintain steady growth, they might want to spread their marketing budget out evenly over the course of the year. 4. Track progress and adjust budgets. Businesses need to track their progress and adjust their marketing budgets accordingly. They should keep an eye on important metrics such as website traffic, sales figures, and customer satisfaction levels. If they see that their marketing is not having the desired effect, they can make changes to their strategy or increase their budget. In short, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of how much a business should spend on marketing or advertising. However, by taking the time to consider their goals, target audience, and available channels, businesses can develop a plan that fits their needs and budget. And by tracking their progress and making adjustments as needed, they can ensure that their marketing efforts are effective and efficient. And there you have it. A comprehensive overview of marketing strategies for your manufacturing business. By implementing these effective tactics, you'll be well on your way to expanding your reach, connecting with your target audience, and building a strong and reputable brand. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our other videos on how to manufacture your own products and sell them for profit. We have tutorials and guides that can help you increase your efficiency, reduce costs, and improve the quality of your product. Thanks for watching.